Moving on, the centre will launch Progress Panchayat, an outreach campaign to create awareness about its programs for the welfare of religious minorities. The outreach is aimed at listening to the grievances of minorities and also empowering them. The campaign will be launched by Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi from Haryana's Mewat.
The central government has taken a major initiative for the upliftment and mainstreaming of the Muslim community in the nation's development. The government has decided to hold Progress Panchayats countrywide to redress grievances of the Muslims. The idea is to establish a direct connect with minorities, particularly Muslims, for giving added attention to their problems. The initiative will be launched from Haryana's Mewat on Thursday, where representatives from different minority communities will take part. Minister for Minority Affairs Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi will be part of the first Progress Panchayat.
हर गरीब, हर कमज़ोर तबका, हर पिछड़ा तबका, हर अल्पसंख्यक, हर दलित, उसकी आंखों में खुशी और उसके ज़िंदगी में खुशहाली पैदा हो, ये हमारा शुरू का संकल्प रहा है। इस विकास के मसौदे को लेकर के हम लोगों के बीच जा रहे हैं। सीना ठोक करके वही जा सकता है जनता के बीच में जिसने कुछ किया होगा।
Both Mewat and Palwal are set to get several gifts on the occasion. The minister will inaugurate a girls' hostel in Nuh and staff quarters in Nagina. Foundation stone will also be laid for a model school in Palwal's Chilawi. The second Progress Panchayat will be held in Rajasthan's Alwar on the 6th of October. 25 to 30 panchayats will be held on an average every month. The aim will be to resolve local problems then and there. Other union ministers are likely to be part of the subsequent panchayats. An inherent message in these panchayats will be that the centre has reached the people's doorstep to solve their problems. Just a few days back, at a rally on the sidelines of the BJP's National Council meet in Kerala's Kozhikode, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the Muslim community should not be treated as a vote bank. He had laid stress on the upliftment of the community and its mainstreaming. The effort is now to put his words into effect, which also reflects the vision of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Jan Sangh ideologue, whose birth centenary was celebrated at Kozhikode. With Shailendra Mishra in Delhi, DD News.